Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box for the month of July, and this one was specially curated by Huda Kattan. Most people know her for her brand Huda Beauty, so I am really excited to get into this. I have seen some sneak peeks, so with any luck, if I saw correctly, we're going to be applying just a couple of things and just getting into this box. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. I do want to say really quick, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you do enjoy, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and you can also turn on notifications so you are notified of all my videos, of course. So let's get right into it. First, we've got our little booklet right here with her face on it. I'm just going to put that to the side for the moment. Everything is in a bag except for this one item. So this is a liquid matte lipstick. It is in the shade Alluring, which is really cute because it is the Allure beauty box. So they have like a little special sleeve for it. And here is the lip itself. It is a bright red. You just can't go wrong with a bright red lip, so I'm really excited for this. I don't think it lists a price, but I know that these go for $20, $21, something like that, I believe. So a lot of these do list a price on here, the products, but this particular one doesn't. I find that kind of odd. Well, at any rate, I think everybody's kind of familiar with her liquid lip, so I do want to put this one on. And let me tell you guys, this morning I had such a plan. I was literally just sitting at my vanity doing my makeup, and I was going to do like a more full-on eye look, and then I decided to spill an entire cup of coffee everywhere. I was so upset. It got over everything. My Lunatic Cosmetics Lab, my contour palette is my favorite, is like soaked with coffee. After cleaning that up for 20 or 30 minutes, I didn't have as much time, so I just did like a little wing. I actually meant to put something under my lower lash line, but we're gonna let it go for now. Actually, just let me do that real quick. I feel like it's not balanced if I don't have a little something out there. So excuse me, this was not the intent. Okay, I just feel like we're a little bit more balanced now. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out this liquid lip. I do actually love the formula of her liquid lips, but I have not tried this particular shade. Ooh, that is a bright, like, almost orangey red. I really like this. Okay, that is the shade Alluring. That is so pretty. I feel like this is a perfect summer red. It's not berry. It's not even a blue base. It's really got like a hint of orange, so it's an orangey red. But man, I love this color. Okay, now I'm even more excited, so let's dive into the rest. So there's a card in here. It says you're going to want to see this. We're giving an exclusive sneak peek at some of your favorite products coming up in the August box. So it's like a scratch off. Let me scratch. Looks like there's an Erno Laszlo Multitask Serum Mask. Okay, so this looks like Benefit They're Real. There's a Nuria something, a Primera. Okay, interesting little scratch off. Back to business. So this is our bag. It is like bright neon clear pink. I like this because it kind of looks like the edges are like lit up. It just has that quality to it. I know not everybody's crazy about these little plastic bags, and I am beginning to rack up an enormous amount of them. I think they're cute though, especially for summer, like these little neon colors. But anyway, let's get into it. So this is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. Okay, so these honestly are not my favorite. I have tried some of the Snail mask. It is very nourishing to the skin, but at the same time, I just think about like, it's kind of weird, like how do they get it? I know that they just like run the snails along and then they like scrape up the stuff, I think is how it works, but I don't know. I'd just rather the snails be free. Is that weird? But also just texture wise, I don't really like it because it is like kind of a slimy texture, and it's just not my favorite. I've had better sheet masks that don't involve snails, but I'm sure that a lot of people would really enjoy that, so not dissing on it. This goes for $10. Okay. And the little like note says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but the sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. Okay. To each their own. Everybody's gonna like something a little bit different, but it's a pretty nice item to receive. I do like Tony Moly. We have the Faced Hangover Rx. This is the replenishing face primer. Funny enough, I actually used this today. I put on this primer and then the Beauty Blender foundation, and it's a really good combination. So I actually have a full size of this, so I will just throw this in my next giveaway, even though it's a mini, just like an extra item. Not bad though. Oh, it looks like there's a sample of their fragrance. This is the K. Ali, which is the I believe Huda and her sister or sisters have this brand, and this is Vanilla 28. Now I do like some vanilla scent, so let's see. Oh, this is nice. It's just like a warm vanilla. And I know with their fragrances, you can like cocktail to create your own little fragrance. So this vanilla is only like one of them. This is vanilla, orchid, tonka, absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. It does smell really nice. I love like sweet, warm fragrances. So this is kind of like right up my alley. And I think this is just like a little extra because there are 5 items apart from this. What's next? Okay, next I have the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I actually used a couple Way products today. I used the Memory Mist and then the Volumizing Hairspray. But with this like wavy hair, it's kind of a perfect like product. So let me see. Help with that like undone wavy beach texture. So I am pretty ecstatic about this. I have tried several things from Way, but I haven't tried this particular product, so that's pretty sweet. The full size goes for $26. I believe you can buy travel size like these for like maybe 12, 14, 16 maybe. So not a bad little thing to receive, but just probably around the price of the box. Okay, and then one more big thing. This is the Samantha No. 7 lashes from Huda Beauty. Now, funny story, I actually had these and went to like a wedding and reception. I wore them maybe 2, maybe 3 times at most, and I got a little tipsy at the reception and wound up tossing these in a trash can somewhere, and I don't know, I have not done that since. And you guys know or may not know, I don't wear lashes every single day, but I was really sad because these lashes are really freaking nice. So I think I'm actually going to put these on really quick. So here they are a little up close so you can take a look at them. I like that they have like a lot of little wispy bits that look a little bit more realistic, and they're not just like straight out. That's nice. So I did grab some scissors, and I have some House of Lashes. I just grabbed the black glue. I have a little mini since I have on just a black liner and nothing else. I am not an expert at lash application. Like, I can get them on, but I would never have the audacity to try to tell somebody else how to put on their lashes. Like, I am not at that level. All right, so let me get some glue on here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. It's had a little minute to get tacky, so I'm gonna pop this on. These do have a super flexible band, which I appreciate so much because I always have issues being sort of a novice when it comes to eyelashes. If the bands are stiff, like I can't seem to make them work at all. And I promise that was the fastest lash application I have ever done. So I don't know, maybe after my coffee disaster, like the universe is gonna go easy on me for the rest of the day because I can't take much more. Probably shouldn't have said that until I got the other lash on, because now I could screw it all up. All right, I'm just gonna conceal a couple little spots. I'm just gonna gently go just closer to the outer corner of my eye and just squeeze those lashes together because my bottom ones were like just a little bit lower. So I think that did the job. All right, so that is my finished look using a few products from this box. So just to recap, we got 3 full-size items. We got the lashes I just put on, which are the Samantha, and I know these are not cheap. I'll put the price on the screen. We got the liquid lip as well. And then I would also consider this full-size. This is the Tony Moly, the Intense Care Snail Mask. So we got those 3 items. We got a mini Way Texturizing Hairspray. And then we also got a mini of the Faced Hangover Primer. And then of course we also got the little fragrance sampler, and can't forget that bag. So all in all, I think this is a really, really good box for Allure. Like I said previously, I feel like, and I've said this every single month I think this year, but since they kind of revamped and redid their box, they have been really killing it. And I feel that for, you know, the $15 price tag that you're paying, you actually get a really good assortment of things. I'm always really happy with it. Ever since like December until now, everything's been really good. Obviously some are going to be a little bit more hit and miss, but for the most part I really enjoy their bag every month. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have a moment to leave a like or comment or subscribe and turn on notifications, anything you guys do is so appreciated, and I would love to have you guys in my little YouTube family. So we do have one more thing to take care of, and that is our dad joke. An invisible man married an invisible woman. The kids were nothing to look at either. Some of these are so cheesy. Alright guys, thank you again. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!